In this video, I'll break down 3 key steps for creating content for YouTube and TikTok monetization. Content automation on social media is something a lot of people would like to get into. It's basically about creating mass content with the sole purpose of making money. But there's a trick to it that many people forget about. In fact, it's not really a trick, it's more like common sense. Mass producing content doesn't mean that the content itself doesn't have to be of high quality. It absolutely does. And in order to monetize your content, you need to have a certain amount of views and subscribers that you'll only get for good content. So let's break down 3 key steps of creating high quality content. The heart of a good video is a good script. It can be written by you if you have the skills or someone you hire, but the script has to be on point. A good script needs research and a good structure to be captivating enough. The research can either be for gaining knowledge, so you could write about a certain topic, or for material that then you compile and structurize. Like with true crime videos, comment-based videos, documentary style videos, etc. The next step is making sure that the audiovisual part of the content is engaging. Using a text-to-speech tool for creating the voiceovers can simplify and speed up your workflow. Text-to-speech is perfect for any kind of video, both long and short form for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And with the current AI technology, it's almost impossible to tell if it's AI or not. For the visual part of the content, you can use stock footage. You may get a subscription to a paid site like Envato, Artlist.io, Storyblocks, etc., where you have footage for literally any scenarios. Or you can use free sites like Pexels.com or Pixabay. The editing part is the second most important thing after the script. So if you are a pro editor, you can handle this yourself. But if you aren't, it's best to source it out to someone who knows how to make engaging videos. Now, I left this as the third step, even though we've already talked about it during the second step, because it's very important that you use a good text-to-speech tool. Nobody likes listening to something that sounds like a robot. So, the text-to-speech tool we're going to talk about is the one in the UniConverter. This text-to-speech tool has over 40 voices of different ages, genders, ethnicities, and nationalities. It works with multiple languages, and to use it is very simple. I'm gonna show you in a second. Pricing wise, it's absolutely affordable. A 1-minute long TikTok video will cost you about $3 if there is speech throughout the entire thing. Now, if you don't have the UniConverter yet, you can get it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. To demonstrate how natural this text-to-speech tool is, the following part will be generated using one of the AI voices from the tool.
The text-to-speech tool is in the audio section of the UniConverter. The voice library is on the right side and the script part is on the left. First of all, select the voice that you'd like to use. You can filter them based on gender and age, and you can also choose from different scenarios. Then you'll have voices with different tones. Listen to some previews and choose the one you like the most.
UniConverter meets all your media processing needs.
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 I'll choose me. Next, paste the script on the left side here. The limit is 10,000 characters per generations. Down here, you'll see your estimated AI credit consumption. So next, click on Generate. Once that is done, you can listen to it before you export it.
Alright, and now that you're done with your first voiceover, you can use it as the foundation of your video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. For any topic requests, leave a comment down below. And I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.